There are two types of analysis. We have fundamental analysis, we have technical analysis. In this video, I'm going to show you how to read the fundamental analysis to use it to trade effectively on your trade. Two things to take note on fundamental analysis. The website I'm going to use to check this fundamental analysis is called Forex Factory. This site, I'm going to take you to the site, how you are going to set it so it can tally with your trading view chart, so you can know exact time when the news is about to release, not the time. You are not going to be calculating the time. You'll be calculating the time when the news is about to release exactly. So all the trade you have on your trading view, you are going to close it out. Most people trade fundamental news directly, but for me, fundamental news is just a guide for me. That's just the key benefits I want to show you in this video, because trading fundamental is not sustainable, but using technical analysis to trade is sustainable. And when using your technical analysis, you will also need fundamental analysis. So before placing any trade, you will need to go to this forex factory I'm talking about, read the news. After reading the news, know when either we have high impact news, low impact news, and medium impact news on a pair. So you are going to avoid it for that day, because before the news is going to be released, it is going to be moving slowly, and after the news is going to be released, it might not also move well. So in this video, I will show you how to read the news and how to use it as a roadmap. Let's say if you have 10 pair in your watch list that you are trading, and USD is having high impact news, you will just neglect the USD pairs and be trading other pairs that don't have USD, and you'll be trade safe. With this, you overcome over trade and you will trade less and go for high probability setups. So right now on my screen, this is the site that I'm talking about, Forex Factory, where you are to read your news. So right now I will put the link to this site where you can also read the news. I will put the link in this video description. Let me reload the page. After reloading the page, now I'm going to take you through the step on how to read the news. First major thing that I will tell you to take note is that once you are on the site, just come to the top right here. Once you come to the top right here, come to the top right here. At the top right here, you can see the icon that says time right here. This time, make sure the time is set well to your correct current time. So you can see right now I'm in West Central Africa. My time is set to the place GMT +1. So right now, as my time is set to this place, now also before I place any trade, I'll just come to the chart and select the date right here. The date I want to place, the day I want to trade, the day we are currently on. You can see this is yesterday, February 20. You can see right here an icon right here. You can see right here date, time, and currency right here, and the impact of the news. I will explain the impact of the news, how to use, and at the detail section I will explain everything to you. All you need to know about this place, I will explain everything to you in details right now. So right now on my screen right here, you can see today is, after setting the time, you can see yesterday. I'm using yesterday news to explain this. Now you can see right here, if you look at it now, you can see some folder as, you can see that some folder has red, some folder has yellow, some folder have like white, some folder have orange. I will explain everything to you. So this impact section, the red means high impact news. This means market is a long candle, can just move up, move down, take your stop loss, and that is just the high impact news. And medium, the one that is represented by yellow, is medium impact news. This means you can trade safely with technical analysis. And the one with also like white or ash, it's also not safe because it is bank holiday, because market will just be moving abnormal. The key benefit of impact that you need to avoid is you can avoid the red and orange totally, but if you still want to place a trade, you can trade the ash one. But the best one to trade safely with technical analysis, and this will serve as roadmap for you and you know overtrade, is this yellow. This is the one that you can trade safely. You can see as of yesterday now, GBP is having red news, and which you need to avoid. Euro is having, you can see GBP card is having an orange. That means you just analyze this place. After analyzing this place, After analyzing this place, this serve as a roadmap for you, and you just place a trade on the pair that has yellow, or you calculate it and place a trade at the time at the time that is the safe to place a trade on it. So after setting your time up right here, you just your time after setting it correctly right here, you just let me take you to the chart and explain what I'm talking about to you. So the chart is currently loading now. You are supposed to set your time, as we set the time to exact time that you are currently on Forex Factory. You need to set your time exactly to the correct time on trading view. Also, you can see right now on trading view, time is saying 8:04. I'm going to set the time right now. So just come up to your set, just click on this time icon right here. After clicking on the time icon, you just select the time that you are currently right now. I'm in yeah, let me locate the time. I'm in Nigeria right now. You can see UTC plus 1. Just select UTC plus 1 Lagos. You can see the time right here is already tallying with the Forex Factory time. So let's say if you are on a trade and you are mistake, you can see right here, like this kind of long candle is caused by news. So let's say if you go in for a buy right here, let's say you have go in for a buy right here, for example, depending on your analysis that you are using, and you set your stop loss around this place, you can still hold the trade. If you can tolerate the risk, you can still hold the trade when this kind of news is going to happen. Most time, if you are correct with your technical analysis, you can still hold the trade along when the news is about to happen. But most time, if news happen on USD, the news is also useful on JPY pair. That is why I love trading JPY pair. If USD is having news, I will just come down to JPY pairs and be trading JPY pairs. And anytime, since my analysis is correct, anytime the news is released on USD, it will just take me up. You can see right here, yesterday we are not having JPY pairs are not having red news, and you can see this long candle and take me up to my take profit. That is just how to trade news. Instead of trading the exact news, just go and trade JPY. I think I have explained how to use news effectively as a roadmap to place your trade in this video. So I will switch to face camera back and do my final review about this video. So my final thought about this video is just that before placing any trade, just because once you have your technical analysis knowledge, you know you have a good working strategy, you have your technical analysis intact. Before using your technical analysis and to stay unfrustrated with the news, so all you just need is that before placing any trade, also you are on your chart to take any trade every day, just go to forexfactory.com. I will put the link in this video description where you can be reading the news. Once you read the news as I explained, after reading the news, you will know what pair to trade and what pair not to trade, and this serves as roadmap. Let's say in your watch list you have 10 pairs right there, and 5 pairs among it are USD pair. With this, you have already less your energy because you are stress free already, because you have already know the safest pair to trade with correctly with technical analysis. You just go ahead and do your analysis on the safest pair and neglect the pair that have hard impact news or medium impact news or half holiday. You just go for the pair that have yellow folder news. With this serve as roadmap for you. You'll be taking high probability setup, so without anything stopping you out. All you just need is to place the trade, set your stop loss and take profits, and be waiting for the trade and be doing your trade management with this serve as roadmap. This is how I used to do it. The key major thing I just want to let you know is just that make sure the time on your Forex Factory is correct with your time on TradingView, so you can know the exact time the news is going to be released. Also on TradingView now, you can see a tiny circle icon on your chart. It will be showing right there when the news is about to release. And also, if USD is having high impact news, instead of you trading news, the news is going to be effectively affect the USD pairs. But if you avoid the USD pair, when news happen on GBP USD now, the high impact is also used to reflect on GBP JPY, but it is not as show on GBP USD. That is why you are safe. You will be trading effectively. Most people trade fundamental analysis, and when the news is about to release, they will just press buy or press sell to catch the big move. But that is not how fundamental analysis is being used. Fundamental analysis is being used as a roadmap, as a guide, in order to make a good trade decision. Remember, survival first before profit. What all you just need is to calculate what you are about to risk, and know what you are about to gain. If you are risking one, you'll be calculating to get two. That is just it. You have already read the news, and you have already know that this is going to be a loss, that the news is going to be taking you out. Why taking the trade? Just stick to what work for you. It is work for you that you stick to. Like me now, before I place any trade, I go to Forex Factory. From Forex Factory, I go to my trading view, because I've read the roadmap on Forex Factory. I know what to trade. So thank you for watching this video. Do well to smash the subscribe button, and if you have any question, comment it below and like this video. And also, if you are still struggling with your strategy, I have a PDF in my Telegram channel, Trend Line Breakout Strategy PDF. I have dropped it in my Telegram channel. You can check it out. So catch you in the next video. The link to the Telegram channel will be in this video description.